In today's video, I'll teach you how to download songs from YouTube Music. First of all, launch open YouTube Music application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here YouTube Music application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In the home interface only, you'll be able to see various songs. So if you want to download the songs, you can simply download one of these songs, or you can also explore more songs if you want. Simply tap on the explore option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to explore the songs over here. You can also search for it. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for the song that you want to download. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find various songs over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the three dots right next to the song that you want to download. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for download. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to download it. You can see over here, you'll be able to download your song if you have premium version of the YouTube Music only. So if you want to download it, you'll have to subscribe to the premium version of YouTube Music. Otherwise, you'll not be able to download it. So if you have the premium version, your song will be downloaded. The downloaded song will be stored in your library and can be played offline. So like this, you'll be able to download the songs. So that is how you download songs from YouTube Music. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.